Hi students, here's a quick tutorial on how to create a new design file in Illustrator for the purpose of laser cutting and the important things that you need to make sure that you do. So when you open up Illustrator, somewhere on your screen will be the Create New button, so go ahead and click on that and you will get your design files templates here. So you may or may not see something in the custom presets on the side. If you do not see something, you can click on any one of these tabs to activate the presets on the right. So generally the things that we do is create a name for our file. So we'll call it, I'm just calling it laser cut test. The next important thing to do is to make sure that you set your units to the correct unit of measurement. We obviously have multiple choices here, but for the purposes of our introduction activities, we've been choosing centimeters, so be sure to select centimeters. Next, you will see width and height, and you will enter in the values that you got in part 1 for the width and height of your piece of cardboard. So if I measured my cardboard to be 5 centimeters wide by 4 centimeters tall, I would enter those values in there. Now the last thing that you need to always be sure that you check when you create a new design file for laser cutting is to look out for the color space. Depending on how the software was last used, which tab you click on sometimes can affect it. You have to make sure that you click Advanced Options and you make sure that you have RGB color selected. It might yell at you, but don't worry about it. This needs to be done at the start in order to reduce confusion later on. So once you have named your file, selected the proper units, entered in the width and height of your material that you're going to be working on, and switched your color settings to RGB, you can click Create, and that concludes this tutorial.